The best way to view the Wi-Fi password on your iPhone is through the Passwords app. Swipe down and search for Passwords or simply locate this app on your home screen. Once you're in the app, tap Wi-Fi and you'll see a list of all the Wi-Fi networks that your phone has ever connected to. You can tap these to view and copy the passwords. Mine are invisible for security reasons, but you'll see yours by tapping them. If the Wi-Fi network you're looking for isn't saved on your iPhone, you won't be able to view the password here. In that case, check the label on the bottom or back of your router. Most routers print the default Wi-Fi name and password there. If the password was changed and you don't know it, you'll need to log into your router's admin page or reset the router to restore the default password. Many routers have a reset button you can push with a paperclip or something similar. Just hold it down for about 10 seconds and it'll reset the router back to factory settings. And if another Apple device is already connected to the same Wi-Fi, you may be able to share the password wirelessly using iPhone's Wi-Fi sharing. Just bring the devices close together, and you'll often see prompt to share the Wi-Fi password between the devices.